Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Carolina Escobar, and for those that do, welcome back. Alright, so today we're going to do an unboxing of an influencer box that I received today. I'm so excited. This is my first box ever. Before I open this box up, I just want to explain to you guys what influencer is. It's basically a way for bloggers, influencers, or anybody with a social media account to get free items or products in exchange for a review. And anybody can do this as long as you connect all of your social media. That means you connect your Snapchat, your Instagram, your Twitter, your blog, or your web page, which I have as well. And then they'll give you an impact score. So depending on how high that is, and also how many reviews you have done on their website or on products that you have used in the past, they will decide with an algorithm what products they should send you. Let's get to it. So this is complimentary for reviewing purposes. I'm so excited! I got a foil sheet mask that has charcoal and 24,000 gold and lavender water. It's from Masque bar. Seems exciting. I always love masks, face masks. I got a dry shampoo from Not Your Mother's Naturals. It has royal honey and Kalahari desert melon. So this is pretty cool because it's not tested on animals. It's plant-based ingredients and no sulfate surfactants. Free of parabens, dyes, gluten, and sulfates. Nice. I'm excited to try this. See what else? Gold Bond Ultimate Hand Cream. It's for cracked skin relief. It fills and protects cream, hands, cuticles, feet. 94% saw a noticeable improvement in the look of cracked skin in just 1 week. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna try this out. This looks legit. This comes in really handy when I go to Washington. Like Washington State, because it's so cold up there. And this is adorable. This is from VoxBox. It came in the influencer box. They know I have a dog. Look how cute this is for Christmas. Oh, little Grinch for my dog. So here I am with my beautiful doggy. Her name is Baby. She's a poodle. I'm gonna try out all these products that I received and let you know what I think. Alright guys, so I decided to do the review today. And here I am. I'm gonna try the Not Your Mother's Naturals dry shampoo. Let's see how this works. So this side is just a little greasier than that side, so I'm going to try it out on here since this side doesn't need it. Yeah, I definitely noticed a difference because it seemed more stringy before. Now it's like more uniform and took away like that greasy shine. So it still looks shiny and healthy, but cleaner. So that's what it's supposed to do. And I give it 5 stars, 5 out of 5. Alright, so here I'm going to apply this. I usually get dry on my knuckles and in this area. It seems to be that a little goes a long way with this cream. So due to the tackiness, I cannot give it a 5 stars, but I believe it does deserve a 4 out of 5 just because it does exactly what it says it should do. And it definitely relieves the skin and makes it feel moisturized and healthy. It's just a little heavy, so 4 out of 5. That's what I would give it. And lastly, I'm going to try out the Masque bar. The charcoal and 24,000 gold face mask. And I'm gonna wash my face right now, put it on, and I'll show you guys the whole process. I left it on for 15 minutes, and I noticed that it gave my face an intense moisture surge. I would rate it a 5 out of 5. I'm gonna try these on my dog and see if she likes them. So thankful that they sent me this. Like, this is pretty cool. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing and how to get a VoxBox video. Let me know in the comments down below what else you guys would like me to talk about or show you guys in these future videos. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And I'm sending you guys lots of good energy. and lots of happiness this holiday season. I'll see you guys next time.